You press Eco to save the planet and your wallet. But what if I told you that glowing green button is systematically choking your engine to death? You are not saving fuel. You are buying a mechanic's next vacation. Modern cars are desperate to hit emission targets. To pass the test, engineers program shortcuts. Eco mode is the ultimate shortcut. It numbs your throttle pedal. It forces your transmission to shift up as early as possible. It traps your engine in a low RPM prison. Think of it like breathing through a straw while walking up a steep hill. You survive, but you are constantly straining. The marketing brochure promises efficiency. The mechanical reality is far more insidious. By demanding your engine work at impossibly low revs, you're stripping away its natural defenses. You are inviting a silent killer into the most expensive part of your vehicle. Let's talk about engine lugging. When Eco mode forces you into sixth gear at 40 miles per hour, your engine RPM plummets. You step on the gas to accelerate, but the transmission refuses to downshift. Your engine groans. It aggressively vibrates. That low-frequency vibration is the sound of severe mechanical stress. It places massive pressure on your rod bearings and piston skirts. Eco mode prefers to lug the engine, prioritizing a microscopic drop in fuel consumption over the total lifespan of your internal components. But the physical stress is just the beginning. The real crime happens inside the cylinders. Most modern cars use direct injection. Fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber. It is highly efficient, but it has a fatal flaw. Fuel no longer washes over the back of the intake valves. Without that constant spray of gasoline acting as a solvent, the valves rely entirely on heat to burn off oil vapor. Eco mode prevents that heat. By keeping RPMs artificially low, the engine never reaches the high internal temperatures required for a proper self-cleaning cycle. This creates a biological equivalent to arterial plaque. Oil vapors from the PCV system coat the cold intake valves. Trapped in a low-heat eco prison, those vapors bake into hard, permanent carbon. Over 10,000 miles, this carbon buildup strangles the engine. Airflow is restricted. The car starts misfiring on cold mornings. Your fuel economy plummets, entirely defeating the purpose of the Eco button. You take it to the shop. The mechanic removes the intake manifold and hands you a bill for $1,000. The hidden truth is that Eco mode was never designed for you. It was designed to pass a laboratory emissions test. Cars are machines of combustion and velocity. They need to breathe. They need to get hot. They require varying RPMs to cycle oil pressure, burn off carbon deposits, and keep internal tolerances perfectly clean. Coddling an engine is the fastest way to ruin it. This means you need to change how you view your daily drive. Turn off Eco mode in the city. Let the transmission breathe. Once a week, when the oil is completely hot, merge onto the highway and put your foot to the floor. Let it reach the red line. Your engine is begging for a high-intensity workout. Give it one. Stop suffocating your engine to save pennies. If this saved you a massive repair bill, hit the subscribe button